Adjutant online. Good evening, Magistrate. I'll fill you in on what's been happening. Confederate traffic has increased substantially within the system due to the recent Protoss destruction of the Chow Sara colony. The Confederates have tightened security on all outlying systems, and it's likely that this colony will be locked down as well. An encrypted Confederate transmission came for you while you were at dinner. Replaying transmission.
Greetings, Magistrate. I'm General Edmund Duke of the Confederate Security Forces Alpha Squadron. The Confederacy has quarantined this entire planet, and we'll proceed with a lockdown within 48 hours. You're to relocate your core colonists to the outlying wastelands. Now, I know there won't be any problems with these new arrangements.
Transmission ended. I have contacted the local marshal, James Raynor. Raynor has agreed to meet your personnel en route and escort them to the new wasteland site.
Jacked up and good to go.
Can't believe we're being sent to the wasteland. These Confederates think they can push anybody around.
Jacked up and good to go.
I read you. Roger that. Orders received. I read you. Orders received.
Commander, go, go, go.
Howdy, boys. I'm Jim Raynor, Marshal of these parts.
Raynor here.
Yeah. Sounds fun.
Yes, sir. Affirmative.
Jacked up and good to go. Rock and roll. Let's move. Give me something to shoot.
Anytime you're ready. This should be good. Oh, yeah. Right on. This should be good. Oh, yeah. This should be good. Sounds fun. This should be good.
Reporting for duty. Orders, Captain?
Anytime you're ready. Right on.
Reporting for duty. SCV good to go, sir. Roger that.
Not enough minerals.
Go ahead, Commander. Oh, yeah. Right on. Oh, yeah. Sounds fun.
SCV good to go, sir. Orders, Captain? I read you.
Give me something to shoot.
Yes, sir. Affirmative.
Give me something to shoot. Let's move.
This is Jimmy. Right on. Sounds fun. Right on. This should be good. Right on.
Job finished.
Infantry units such as Marines can be trained at this facility.
Right away, sir.
Give me something to shoot.
Orders received.
Give me something to shoot. Give
Not
me
enough
something to shoot.
minerals.
Outstanding. Go, go, go. Standing by.
Not
Raynor
enough
here.
minerals.
Sounds fun. This is Jimmy. This should be good.
Commander,
Oh, yeah. This should be good.
you want a piece of me, boy?
Oh, yeah. Right on.
Jacked up and good to go.
This is Jimmy. Sounds fun. Oh, yeah. Sounds fun.
You want a piece of me,
Go ahead,
boy?
Commander. Sounds fun. Oh, yeah. Sounds fun. Oh, yeah. Sounds fun. Right on.
You want a piece of me, boy?
This should be good.
Commander, go, go, go.
Raynor here. Right on. This should be good. Sounds fun. Right on. Go ahead, Commander. This should be good. Jacked up and good to go. Commander, rock and roll. Go, go, go. Let's move. Raynor here. Oh, yeah. Rock and roll. Outstanding. Anytime you're ready. Give me something to shoot. Rock and roll. Let's move. This is Jimmy. Give me something to shoot. Anytime you're ready. This is Jimmy. Jacked up and good to go. Anytime you're ready. Standing by.
I read you. Orders received. Affirmative. Roger that. Orders received. Affirmative. Right away, sir.
You want a piece of me, boy?